The Grumman C-1 Trader was a carrier onboard delivery aircraft developed by the American company Grumman Aircraft Engineering Corporation for the United States Navy. It served from 1956 to 1988, becoming one of the most reliable carrier-based transport aircraft of its time. The C-1 Trader originated from the Navy's post-World War II requirement for a modern anti-submarine aircraft. Grumman began work on a twin-engine, high-wing prototype designated G-89, later known as the XS-2F1, which first flew on December 4, 1952. From this design, three main variants emerged: the S-2 Tracker for anti-submarine warfare, the E-1 Tracer for airborne early warning, and the C-1 Trader for logistics support. Initially designated TF-1, the C-1 was designed to carry 9 passengers or up to 3,500 pounds, 1,600 kilograms of cargo. Its first flight took place in January 1955, and it entered operational service the following year. The aircraft was powered by two Wright R-1820 82WA Cyclone 9-cylinder radial engines, each producing 1,125 horsepower. It reached a top speed of about 240 knots, 445 kilometers per hour, a range of 960 nautical miles, 1,780 kilometers, and a service ceiling of 25,000 feet, 7,620 meters. These characteristics made it ideal for carrier operations where compact size, reliability, and payload versatility were crucial. During the Vietnam War, the C-1 Trader became a vital link between aircraft carriers and shore bases, delivering mail, personnel, and critical supplies across the Pacific. It also functioned as a training platform for carrier landings in poor weather. A total of 87 aircraft were produced, 4 of which were converted into EC-1A electronic countermeasures variants. The C-1 remained in United States Navy service until 1988, making it one of the last piston-engine aircraft to operate from American carriers. Decades later, several traders were preserved by private owners and museums. In 2010, Brazilian Naval Aviation announced plans to modernize and convert several airframes into KC-2 turbo trader variants for cargo and aerial refueling missions. However, the project was canceled in the early 2020s after Brazil's carrier São Paulo was decommissioned. Today, a handful of C-1 traders still fly in private hands, representing a transitional era between piston engine and turboprop naval aviation. Their rugged design and dependable service record remain a testament to Grumman's engineering legacy.